what I'm wearing. It's a outfit from America. The top is from Bebe, and it's just a casual tunic top and pants.
Wilderness is about a dragon. And so if in your fantasy, which creature would you want to keep with you? A fantasy creature.
A fantasy creature. I think somewhere it has to have the warmth and loyalty of a dog, because my daughter and me, we are dog lovers, and I think it can have some feline meanness of a cat somewhere, and the claws of a dragon would be great. So that it could be parts of a different animal, I think.
Okay, my last question.
ये बेचारी की फोटो क्यों ले रहे हैं? नहीं, but फिर भी हाँ.
Do you believe in astrology or numerology or tarot cards?
I find it very interesting. I don't believe in it per se. I won't base my life on it, but I do find it interesting to hear. Like all human beings, you love to have interesting things told about your life.
So any one advice have you ever taken or do you remember taking?
Not really. I actually try and stay away from it, because I feel if you are going to follow it or not, it definitely puts an element of doubt in your mind, and it bows that seed of self, doubt, or it messes up your thinking, I feel. So it's better let whatever will be, they say, ke sera sera, and God is there to look after us. And I believe in prayers more than astrology.